Ready to move forward? On June 17, 2021, OSHA and the governor adopted new guidelines for employees. Let's talk about those changes to physical distancing, face coverings, and vaccination. Although you're encouraged to use it in combination with other controls, physical distancing is no longer required. Instead, consider using it with face coverings, increased ventilation indoors, and respiratory protection, which still help you decrease the spread of COVID-19. Not vaccinated? You'll still be required to wear a face covering when you're indoors. If you're outdoors, wearing one is recommended whenever you're unable to be 6 feet away from others. If you're fully vaccinated, you can go mask-free, with some exceptions. You must wear a face covering if you are involved with public transit, minor or youth settings when indoors, such as K-12 or childcare, healthcare including student health services, counseling and UC Health, correctional facilities such as police, and shelters. Exceptions are still available to those who wear respirators or have a medical or mental condition amongst others. You can still request a free face covering. Regardless of vaccination, you can continue to wear one without being retaliated against. You have a right to request a respirator and will not be retaliated against for wearing one. We will provide you an N95 respirator at no cost when you are not fully vaccinated and request one, in the event of an outbreak, major or minor, an employer-provided housing, and an employer-provided transportation. When we provide you one, you'll receive training on how to properly wear, perform a seal check, and ensure that facial hair does not interfere with its use. Visit our COVID-19 website to access our policies involving COVID-19 prevention plans, which you should review to find out how you can participate in identifying and evaluating COVID-19 hazards, face coverings, which you can still wear without fear of retaliation, leave benefits. You are still entitled to legally mandated sick leave, vaccination, and workers' compensation benefits if applicable. Testing. Get tested if you have symptoms. You can find a testing location at covid19.ca.gov or on our COVID-19 website. Respiratory protection. You have a right to request respiratory protection without fear of retaliation. And vaccination, which is effective at preventing COVID-19 and protecting against both transmission and serious illness or death. For more information, contact Environmental Health and Safety. We look forward to putting the pandemic behind us together. With your help, we can stop the spread of COVID-19. This message has been brought to you by the University of California Risk and Safety Training Center of Excellence.